Hi friends, it's Miss Kristine, and today we are going to learn another letter. Can you guess what letter it is? It's letter T. And remember, there is a song that we can sing that will help us remember what sound T makes. And it goes like this. The T says T. The T says T. Every letter makes a sound. The T says T. Great job. Now, if you look at the cover, there's an uppercase T and a lowercase t. They both are T's and they both make the T sound. Now, I'm gonna open up my container, and inside I have different objects that start with the letter T and make the T sound. So, I'm going to describe them to you and give you clues, and you're gonna guess what it is. Are you ready? The first is a type of, some people call it a fruit, some people call it a vegetable, but it's red and it grows on a vine and you can put it in your sandwich. Can you guess? A tomato. The next is a type of bird, and sometimes we eat it, and it goes gobble, gobble, gobble. It's called a turkey. The next is an animal that lives in the jungle, and it's orange and yellow, and it has black stripes. It's called a tiger. The next is a kind of bike, and it has 3 wheels. What is it? A tricycle. T for tricycle. And the last 2 items I have is something that is green and it moves really slow and it has a hard shell. It's a turtle. And then the last item I have is a type of vehicle that has a bed in the back that you can put things in to bring to the dumpster or to carry like a couch or a bed or anything that's really big that doesn't fit in a car. It's a truck. Great job, friends. Now I'm gonna hold up the items and you're gonna tell me what they are. Ready? Tomato. Turkey. Whoops. Tricycle. Truck. Tiger. And turtle. Great job. Now on the count of 3, we're gonna sing the T song one more time. 1, 2, 3. The T says T. The T says T. Every letter makes a sound. The T says T. Great job. Now I want you to look around your house and find some items that start with the letter T. Thanks for watching. See you next time.